Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is the Village Fit. So it's a really cool fitness center. You can see it's set up like a fitness center. It's got the front, front staff that's there. And then I just want to walk through this so you can see how mega huge this is. So I've walked through there. There's the basketball court that's there. It's like actually, kind of what mega huge basketball court, and you can see also there's looks like there's a jog around all around here. You've got two levels, and this has to be the nicest fitness center I literally have ever seen in an apartment. So really pretty fitness center. You got a lot of cool machine equipment over here. So it's looking like most of the free weights and stuff like that are here. Okay, lots and lots of weights over here. Just want to give you a really quick look over here. It looks like a lot of bench press, a lot of dumbbells, squats, bench press, all that stuff is over there. So a lot of cool equipment. Wow, this is really massive. I see a big studio room over here too. That studio room is huge. Massive, so I'm sure they have classes going on in here too, so that's really neat. And then we're going to go upstairs. Let's see the upstairs too. I can't wait. I think you're going to see a lot of cardio up there. This kind of reminds me honestly of Texas A&M. So Texas A&M has a couple of fitness centers like this. They actually are even a little bigger than this, but kind of reminds me of the same style. Very nice. So I'm loving the feel here a lot. Okay, so let's now walk upstairs. We're going to do part 2 and go upstairs. If you have any questions about anything you're seeing, send me a text. Just use the number below. But man, isn't this amazing? This is really one of the most cool fitness centers I've ever seen. And this is a free benefit of being here at the Village.